brand new collection. It's not released yet in Malaysia right now that I'm recording, but I don't know when I'm gonna release this. Maybe it's already released. So I got this collection when I was in LA about maybe 3.5 weeks ago, and I got the whole collection. Okay, so I'm going to show this to you one by one. I don't know the price yet as of now, but you can read it in the description box below and find out the details of the pricing and also where you can get it. The first off is the eyeshadow palette, and this is the Machinist eyeshadow palette. This is how it looks like, and you have the colors of the eyeshadow at the back, and ada tiga. Okay, so this is the first one, and this is called Ignite, and then this one is called Steam. So ini color dia. This is called Grind, and I like this one the most because dia ada paling banyak matte colors, and dia ada green colors that I like. And this is how the color looks like. This is the warm palette. So ini palette dia. And then you see the eyeshadows inside. So dia ada lebih banyak matte colors. This is the palette. So there are more to red and pink colors. Last but not least, this is the same palette. And the colors. These are very cool colors. These are very cool colors. Okay, this is my least favorite palette because they are paling banyak shimmer, and then the matte colors are very light colors. So kalau mata saya pakai shimmer, it will look very bengkak, and I can only put it on like certain areas untuk accentuate and also highlight the eyes, but I cannot use it on my whole eyelid because it will look so red. So this has very nice highlight colors untuk kasih bling ke mata. Next, they have the highlighting rolls, and I have all three of them di sini. And when we were in LA, we were doing the Machinist makeup challenge, and they laid out all these products on the table, and satu table tu ada 4 set of products, and 4 of us sat with each other. Kalau kamu dah tengok vlog saya, kamu akan nampak I was sitting with a Hong Kong winner, Taiwan winner, and also the Taiwan cosplay winner. So the person in charge time tu dia datang ke meja kami, and dia cakap kamu boleh buat makeup in 45 minutes to 1 hour, and then semua makeup yang di meja ini kamu punya. Terus dia bagi yang buat. Terus ada brush sampai yang paling di sana, like this much brush. Terus dia bilang, yes, even the brush is oh like what? These are the highlighting doors. Aku belum try ni. This one dia punya highlighting door ni purple color, silver and purple. And this one dia warm color, and this one is grind. So dia matching dengan dia punya eyeshadow color. Rasa Ignite ya misalkan pakai, because dia ada light sedikit. Sebelum buka boleh 2, saya buka 1, dan saya pakai ini time the LA finale event. So it was finale event, sorry. So you need the 3 lipstick colors. Ini Ignite. So Ignite is the more brown color. So this is the color. Okay, so this is Ignite. Okay, so this is Steam. So aku belum nampak color dia. Oh, macam gini juga. Brown. Okay, satu gelap sedikit dan satu light sedikit. So tinggal grind. So this is the packaging. Okay, kan? I really like the packaging. Sangat detail and yeah, semua sesuai dengan tema. It's very warm. Cantik. And they all are quite similar, just the tone is a little bit different. sudah pakai this one. Smart punya color ni warna biru, very smart. I haven't tried these two colors yet. So my price as the facial wash winner in Malaysia is I get 20k worth of NYX products. So if you want to meet quarterly, so hari itu saya sudah diambil my 5k worth of products and sangat banyak. So but I didn't take the eyeshadow primer. So I'm going to use this to prime my eyes, the Cancer Moons of foundation. And I'm doing a review on this foundation as well. So kalau kamu mau tahu apa yang saya pikir about this foundation, how it wears, whether it's betul-betul can stop, won't stop punya foundation, and whether it irritates sensitive skin like mine, you can watch my review on this foundation. This one. And bentuknya begini, ada dia punya pencil lead di ujung, and ada brush di ujung sini. I'll just do a very light eyebrow. And then this one is not NYX products, my Pear punya sabun, and I'm gonna spray with a bit of this NYX dewy spray. You can use water juga, and just use the end of the brush here, and just sapu di kening, kasih berdiri the brow hair. You can go in with this color, this one. This is number 4 on the Ignite palette. So dia ada sedikit kickback. Kickback tu macam tu powder terbuka sedikit. So you get this much on the brush. Okay, so saya akan kasih blend di sini atas. Okay, so dah nampak ada patchy sedikit, but I think it's the brush. So sudah try this a few times, and memang dia kasih nampak the eyeshadow patchy. I don't know why. Okay, I'm using another eyeshadow brush, and this is my personal favorite eyeshadow brush. Cantik this color, it's very easy to blend. Kalau mau pakai ini color saja pun okay juga. This color right here. So this color saya akan taruh di dalam saya punya crease. And then have my brush pointing directly. Blends together very well, and it's very easy to add layers upon layers, and it still looks really good. It's blending really well, and it's not getting patchy or looks anything weird or anything. Because sometimes bila kita layer kita punya eyeshadow, kadang-kadang dia pandai terbuka atau tidak melekat. Tapi this one very nice, very pigmented. I'm gonna go in with this color, just a bit on the side here. Ooh, so nice. This is so pretty, this one. Sangat cantik. Nampaknya saya pakai my fingers for this. And saya akan pakai this is Worth the Hype mascara. It's in black. So it's very nice, but it's not as nice as Maybelline punya. Because for me the measure is kalau kamu taruh mascara and then maintain curl, it's good. Tapi kalau ada pandai means it's not that good. So saya akan try this one. This is a local brand, Lindsay Lashes. Code Eva. So, sakan pa kay natural lash for today. This is actually by my, these lashes, they're by my ex-student and ex-trainer at MOA. So, I'm really, really proud of her for coming out with her new lashes. She has Lindsay soap, which is a soap for you to wash brushes. So, this is her line of lashes. So, I'm gonna stick this on. Oh, but the color is not actually black, dia macam light brown. Two hands. Oh, by the way, the founder of Lindsay Lashes is Angel, dia punya nama, and very, very light. Wow, nice. Good job, Angel. So I noticed that the lashes is not that black, so I'm gonna apply mascara after this. So if you want to get these lashes, it's available at MOA Market. You can come to our store and you can get this. They're all ready stock. I'm gonna apply my foundation and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm done with my eye makeup, and then I'm gonna apply the highlighter from the Machinist palette. This is Ignite. So I'm gonna try this color. Whoa. It looks like a blush. Oh my god. Kailangan sa makulit sa. Okay, so let's try the white color then. This one. Okay, much better. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with the lipstick. I'm so excited. So there are 3 lipsticks here, and I think this is interesting to try. Just try this. Wow. That was color Grind, and it's so nice and pigmented and very, very comfortable. Okay, so now I'm gonna try this. This is lacquer in Ignite, a very cool tube, and has an applicator. It looks like this. Oh, nice. So you can definitely wear this on its own because it's very, very pigmented. It has its own color as well. And you can top it off on a lipstick as well. So cool. Okay, so I'll be back. I'm gonna do my hair first. I'll be back. Okay, so I've done my hair. And I'm just gonna spray a dewy finish by NYX just to finish off. Since the base is so matte, I just want something dewy on the skin. And then I'm gonna apply a little bit of Born to Glow on my décolletage. Okay guys, so thank you so much for watching. That is my review for the Machinist collection. I hope you like what I created with the makeup. I hope you like my review of the Machinist collection by NYX Cosmetics. I really enjoyed playing with the colors. The eyeshadows are very, very pigmented and very easy to blend. A little bit powdery, but it's still manageable. And I love the highlight. Look at that. Cantikan. And the lipsticks are so nice. It's not too dry, especially these ones. They're not too dry, and it's very comfortable to wear. It's very, very creamy, and it's very, very pigmented. So I really, really like this lipstick. As for the lacquer, I'm not a lip gloss kind of girl, so maybe some of you who like lip gloss would like the lacquer because it doesn't dry down, it stays wet, it's like a gloss, it doesn't become a matte lipstick. So if you like gloss, you will like this. and it's very pigmented in color, so you can wear it on its own. Let me know in the comments what products you want me to review next, and I will try to review it for you guys. See you in the next video. Bye.